Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace a Royal Enfield Classic chain case cover. So come on, let's start the video. Now this chain case sits on two things. Now if you come on the back side of the chain case, you will see a bolt. This bolt you will have to take out first. Now to access this bolt, it is very difficult, so you will have to come on the other side. So watch carefully how I take it out. So if you are having a T-spanner, then you can put it on this side, but still there are chances that the bolt can slip, so I will not take that risk. So I will put my wrench between the tire and the mudguard. So when I put it on this side, by doing small movements, I will have to loosen it first. So once it becomes loose, you can rotate it with your hand and take it out easily. So take this bolt out completely, and here comes out my bolt. Then take a 17mm socket and go on the other side and loosen this shock nut. You don't have to take it out completely, you just have to loosen it. And once you loosen it, your chain case will get disconnected. Now you can easily pull the chain case out. So here my chain case is now totally separated from the bike. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If this video was useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandez signing out until we meet again.